Hi everyone, welcome back to Infino Data. In today's video, we are going to talk about something crucial in the world of data. Where and why we need data collection. To make it simple, we will explore examples and tell a story to help you understand the importance of collecting the data. What is data collection? Before diving into where and why we need it, let's quickly recap. Data collection is the process of gathering information from various sources to use for analysis, decision making, or gaining insights. But why do we collect it? Let's break it down. Story time. A local baker's journey. Let's start with a story. Imagine a local bakery owner, Sarah, who has been running her shop for a year. Initially, she made all her decisions based on gut feeling, what flavor to bake, how much to stock, and when to open the shop. Some days she had too many leftover pastries, other days she ran out of the customer favorite. Sarah realized she needed a better way to make decisions. That's where data collection comes in. By collecting data on how many customers visited the bakery each day, which items are most popular on specific days, seasonal trends, Sarah could make smarter decisions. She knew exactly how many croissants to bake on Monday, when to offer discounts, and even which new item to introduce. Collecting data transformed her business. Where and where we need data collection. Business. Just like Sarah, bakery business collect data to understand customer behavior, track sales, and manage inventory. Whether it is a small shop or a large corporation, every business depends on data to improve its product, services, and customer satisfaction. Second is healthcare. In healthcare, data collection is essential for tracking patient health, diagnosis disease, and improving treatment. Hospital collect data on patient visit, symptoms, and treat outcomes. Third is science and research. Data is at the heart of scientific discoveries, whether it's monitoring weather patterns, studying wildlife, or experiment in labs. Scientists collect data to test their theories and solve real-world problems. So, why we need data collection? To make that better decision making. Data help us make informed decision. In the bakery example, Sarah could decide how many croissants to bake by analyzing her sales data, whether you are running a business, a school, or a hospital. Data allow you to make smarter choice, avoiding guesswork. Identifying trends and pattern. Data collection help us spot trends. For example, retail store notice increased sale during festive season by analyzing their data. Similarly, healthcare professional can track disease outbreak or seasonal allergies through patient data. Third, problem solving. By collecting and analyzing data, we can identify problems and work on solutions. For example, if a school sees that many students are failing a particular subject, they can take steps to improve teaching method for that subject. Fourth is measuring progress. Data allow you to measure your progress over time, whether it's tracking a fitness goal, business growth, or academic performance. Data gives you the tools to see how far you have come and what still needs improvement. Fifth is personalization. Have you ever noticed how Netflix recommend show you might like, or how Google suggests routes based on real-time traffic data? That's personalization driven by data collection. Company use your preferences and behavior to provide a personalized experience. So let's take an example of Fitness app. Fitness app. When you use a Fitness app, track your steps, calories, or heart rate. The app is collecting data. Over time, this data help you see patterns in your physical activity. It can tell you if you have been more active than last week or help set new fitness goal. Without data collection, you would have no way of measuring your progress. Conclusion. So why do we need data collection? Because it helps us to make better decisions, solve problems, track progress, and offer personalized experience. Data is everywhere, and by collecting it, we can unlock its power to improve every aspect of our lives. So, thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to Infilo Data. Stay tuned for more videos on data and how it's transforming the world around us.